Hello everybody! This is Unit 1 of Natural Science. The title of this unit is What Characterizes Living Things? So, what do you think that we are going to talk about? Yes, living things. To start, I would like you to watch this video that you have on the top, that it explains what living things are. For example, living things breathe, like us, or animals, or plants. Also, living things feed, they eat. They need to eat to get food to survive. And finally, they interact. We, people, talk to each other. Animals also interact. How do, for example, dogs interact? By barking. Or lions, as you can see in this picture, they are cuddling, they are interacting. If we focus on the main characteristics of living things, the first thing that we need to know is that living things are made up of cells. And what does it mean? Well, for example, this doesn't mean that we have got cells inside our body. For example, if we take this bag, okay, we can say that this bag has got a wallet inside, right? Okay, but this bag is made up of thread. This is the material that this bag is made up of. That means that inside we've got many things, but the material we are made up of are cells. If we focus on the number of cells that living things are, we could say that living things that have got only one cell are called unicellular. It makes sense, right? Uni from number 1. So living things that have got one cell are called unicellular. And living things that have got 2, 3, 1,000 millions of cells, it doesn't matter. They are called multicellular living things. And you might be asking yourselves, what are we? Of course, we are multicellular living things because in our body we've got many cells. Later, we need to know that cells group together and cooperate to form organs like, for example, our heart, our lungs, and our systems, like our nervous system, digestive system, respiratory system. We will talk about that later in more detail. And finally, we could say that cells carry out 3 activities that are called 3 life processes. This means that cells carry out nutrition. And what is nutrition? Well, the first answer that you have in your head will be nutrition is feeding, eating. Well, it's not 100% that. Of course, we have to eat to get food, but nutrition is not about eating food. Nutrition is about the action and the process that our body makes to get energy to do other things, to grow, stay alive, and reproduce. So, for you to understand what happens when you don't eat. Yes, that you feel tired. You don't want to do anything, right? Well, that is why we eat. Because when I eat a banana, I eat an apple, then my body takes all the energy that I need to survive. And this process is called nutrition. In the next video, I will explain the other 2 processes as well as the difference between autotrophs and heterotrophs. I hope that you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.